Noodle coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and got something today from an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is what do you call it? Itsuki Akikara spicy noodle. Sound good to me. So that is what's happening today. How is your day going, everyone, everywhere? I hope it is going well. Yeah. I know I've reviewed this before. I know I have. Comes with a nice punch card. Yeah, I gotta get these sachets out. See, this is a kind of a tricky widget right here. Gotta get the sachets out. There we go. One. Two. And then we're gonna dump all these straight noodles into 500 mils of boiling hot water of doom. There we go. There we go. And boil down it does, and these go for 3 minutes. It's weird because the last one I did that seemed exactly the same yesterday. That one was boil it for, what was it? 1 minute. It's Akikara ramen. So these are straight noodles. Must be made of different stuff. That's all I can see. Alright. Get in there. So yeah. Man, I'm beat. I did another 15 miler yesterday. No, I think it was 14 and a half, but who's really counting? But yeah, I'm kind of tired today. Taking it easy, chilling out. Now gonna do a little something here. A little Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. Number 160. Number 168. Do not indulge in self-praise. Always let a third party be the judge. So don't just sit there and go, oh, I'm so great. Wow, I'm great. It's hard not to, being as great as I am. But I take a gentle aside from myself and allow all of you to tell me that what I do is absolutely wonderful. It's actually really humbling when I get somebody saying wow, the noodles you make are just rad and blah 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 blah. It's wow, thanks. I really appreciate it. I mean, I never thought I would have to be the kind of person who has to sit and get praise. I don't know. Never just felt like that kind of guy, but people say nice things about me. I'm really happy about that. That's super kind of you. Because I'm in reality, I'm a very horrible man. As my brother says, what does he say? He says, I'm not so bad. That's what he says about himself. What we got here? I'm doing double duty today because I got all sorts of crazy stuff. I don't even know what that is. Wow, that panda signature stuff seems to have just invaded the market. And people seem kind of grumpy about it. I don't know. I mean, it's about what I expected. It's not like absolutely horrible. I've had far worse instant noodles. I've had far better though. Sachet being added. Like this. But this isn't. You're not gonna get a pack of this for 18 cents. That's the thing. People expect so much. Like, my God, it only cost me a nickel. It's like, well, you're gonna get a nickel's worth of whatever you spend a nickel on. It's just kind of the dealio yo. This is probably more of your. If you went and you found this at like say Wajimaya, which is a Japanese grocery stores chain around here. I'm guessing this one that I'm reviewing right now is probably going to cost you close to $6. So the aforementioned stuff is generally for people who are on a budget. This is not a budget noodle. This is a premium, high-end, fancy Dan. You know, that's good stuff. The other stuff, it'll do you in a pinch. And it comes in a massive array of different flavors. But this is like top class premium holy moly stuff. Anyways, by the way, yesterday I mentioned that there was an interested in party in making a Ramen Raider like a physical store, online store, which makes way more sense in pandemic world. Let's give this. Man, it really sucked up the liquid. I don't know. And the pictures I took yesterday, they came out horrible. I used this camera. I thought some still shots of me eating noodles with kind of a fisheye would work really well. Journalist was like, oh, they're not so bad. I'm like looking at them. I'm like, these are horrible. That is one salty broth. Super salty. I'll say. This definitely makes me want to talk like Foghorn Leghorn. It's that good, folks. It's good stuff. Itsuki bringing it. The heat, it's nice. But the broth, it's just so thick. Which isn't a bad thing, but it's just hard to... It's going to be a difficulty. As you will see momentarily. Bowl. You see that? Liking what you see there? Bowl. Noodle. See, it doesn't really stick around. Lovely chashu. Our egg of beautiful egg. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, Egg. You've really done the work for me. A little milk custardy. That's alright. Look at that broth though. Jeepers. That's purty. You like them noodles there? Them's is purty. Purty noodle. Ooh, look at that purty noodle. And then we got some. Oh, I was gonna use that in it. Oh, there's not enough. It's too thick. See, I got this, what do you call it? It's like dried tofu. But that ain't gonna work. Not today. But this will. Looks like my area of staging is going to be nice and sunny. But it's cold outside. It's in the 40s. This morning I slept in, first off. I ignored my alarm for the second time this week. Just like really beat. And I can't even think or talk today. Apologies. I go look outside. I took the trash out. That's what I'm trying to say. So I took the trash out, and it's just freaking freezing, and it's rainy, and it's a little bit of a breeze. And I was like, nah, I ain't having that. So I stayed home. I decided to do some unboxing videos, and well, here we are. All right, Rotato, bring him on home. Alright, well that's it for me for today. Well, at least this. So, enjoy, like, subscribe. Go on the Instant Noodles the Ramen Raider group on Facebook. I'll approve you. Then you can share what you do with the voodoo that you do. Oh yeah, have a good one. Bye.